Hello YouTube, it's your boy the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Guys, this is why you don't sell in a bear market. Okay, yesterday I was red, I was down, I was down to I think 33,000. Yeah, 33,700. That's how I started the day today. And then at the end of the day, you could see 35,200. So if you're selling in a bear market, you should know that you're selling at a loss, especially to long-term traders. This is the best time for you to average down your high growth stocks or your high growth, plays that you think are going to do pretty well in the near future. This is the time for you to average them out. Otherwise, if you are selling them, then you are selling them at a loss. If you're a day trader, that's fine. I mean, you can sell whatever you want. If you're an options trader, this is a great market for you to make enough money in there because it's a choppy market. Tomorrow is up, tomorrow is down. If you can read the technicals, it's a great market for you to sell and buy options in this market. Anyways, guys, let's go straight to the ticker symbol that I want to talk about. But let me mention this. Yesterday I spoke about Hood. I was talking about Hood yesterday, Robinhood. Okay, that's the ticker symbol Hood. You can see I have 99 shares. Yesterday I spoke about it. Today, 10% on Robinhood. So I mean, I think I kind of called it out technically. So the ticker symbol that I want to talk about today is GGPI. I have done a video about this ticket symbol before, so you can go back to some of my videos, or I think I'm going to attach it at the end of the video so you can watch the video that I did on it. Okay, this is a SPAC. So for all those who don't know a SPAC, go back and do your research. I don't want to make this video too long. So this is a SPAC that is going to merge with Polestar, and Polestar is an EV electric vehicle company that is it's like a sub-sector of Volkswagen. So they are merging with this company. This is GGPI. Polestar is an amazing company. Okay, I love Lucid. I've done videos about Lucid before Lucid popped. I did a video about Lucid, and I've done a few videos about Lucid. You can go back and watch some of my videos on Lucid. But when it comes to Polestar, it's a whole different game altogether. So last year Lucid delivered I think 540 cars last year, 540 vehicles last year. That's what Lucid delivered. Polestar has delivered 29,000 cars last year, and then a year before that they delivered I think 10,000 cars, and they are looking forward to deliver 250,000 cars by the year 2025. That is 3 years away from now. So they are in the game big time, and they are in a lot of locations. It's not as big now as it is in the United States, but I did a video about it and talking about how they are going to set up a plant in I think South Carolina, in an old VW plant that they have out there. So they are going to start production in the United States I think in 2 to 3 years. So you should look at Polestar. I have how many shares do I have? I have 130 shares. I'm down 18%. I really don't care because the measure hasn't happened yet. So if I get some money, I think I'm going to average down from the $12 to $12 that I bought it at, so I can get to maybe $10, average, because that's what the normal SPAC average is $10. So if I can get there, I'll be really excited. I'll read a few articles for you before I let you go. Okay, let's go to Polestar. This is just on yahoo.com. You can go to yahoofinance.com and you can read all this. Polestar is a rare star in the SPAC EV space, and I want to read a little bit for you. And in the second paragraph, you can see the automotive industry is changing quickly, and with many companies moving toward electric cars, this has led to an increase in investments and projects related to EVs or their infrastructure requirements like batteries. For example, last year was a strong one for Polestar. The Swedish EV manufacturer delivered over 29,000 cars and met its annual sales target. The company's sales were more than double in the last year, with a 185% growth rate. Furthermore, they expanded in their retail footprint to now operate in 100 locations globally. 100 locations globally. Take that into account. 29,000 cars last year. And I'm comparing it to Lucid. I still hold some Lucid shares, and I think Lucid is going to do great in the United States. Lucid is going to do marvelous. But Polestar has positioned itself in so many locations that it's amazing, and they've sold so many. They sold thousands of cars so far, more than Lucid has sold so far. So they have a very great position out there, and I love them. I think they are going to do really great. This is one more article in Yahoo Finance that I found. Okay, Polestar 2, that's their one of their vehicles that they produce. Polestar 2 off to a strong start in South Korea with over 4,000 reservations in 1 week. And they just came out recently. They just opened shop in South Korea and they have 4,000 reservations just in 1 week. I'm not going to read any. I'm just going to show you the key points. South Korea is Polestar's 19th global market, 19th, okay, and the latest to introduce Polestar 2. Over 4,000 reservations for Polestar 2 placed in 1 week after the order books opened on 18th January 2022. So they are in South Korea and they are doing really, really well right now with over 4,000 reservations, as you can see from this article. And this article was published in January 26, 2022. So you can see, you can forecast that there's more reservations going out. I don't know where they are going to cap their reservations at, but they are going to do pretty good. And I believe that the measure is going to happen in the first half of this year. Okay. So if you go to Market Watch, you can have some more articles in Market Watch about GGPI. You can see Polestar hits 2021 sales target, Spark combination scene expansion, all that. You can see, you can go to, I'm showing you a few places that you can go. I don't want to read all the articles for you because it's going to make the video too long to watch. And now let's go to our favorite. This is my personal favorite when it comes to watching stocks. Okay, that's the institutional ownership. And then most of the times, like I say, the institutional ownership, I'm looking at something like 50 percent plus one, 50% plus one out there. So if it's 50% plus one, I'm looking at it, and this is 73% plus one institutional ownership. So it's a great place. Retail ownership is just something little. So I think they are going to do really well. You can see here Magneta Financials 3.9 million shares, Millennium Management 3.9 million shares, LH Capital 2.5 million shares, a whole lot. If you go to yahoo.com too, you can see some of the hedge funds that are holding them, and it's great. They have a great portfolio when it comes to institutional ownership. So I think they're going to do really well. And when the SPAC measure happens, what has happened in the previous years. When a SPAC measure happens, it's going to shoot up from the $10 to an easy $20, $25 when the measure happens in a period of 1 year. So this is very affordable right now. Very, very affordable. The $10 is very affordable. It's a SPAC, price. The $10 is an average SPAC price. So as a matter of fact, you're getting this at a sweet bargain until the measure happens. So I am in this. I'll continue to buy it until I'm able to average out from 12 to 10, because it's a nice play for me, and I think it will be a growth stock. When you buy it and it shoots up to 25, you can sell half of your shares and keep the other half. It's when you get 100% profit, always take some profit. Don't hold onto it for greed. Always take some profit. So you can sell half of your shares, take your money out, and let the the market money run for you. Anyways, not to talk too much, like I always say, scared money don't make no money, and you always got to risk it to get the biscuit. I'm out of your hair. Stay blessed and stay safe. Peace.